Welcome back. This is lesson 8. We're going to do another new tune. This is the fourth band tune. It's Maggie in the Wood. Now the difference with this is the first three tunes were in the key of D. This tune is actually in the key of G. But actually it's quite easy because you play a lot of open strings. If we just look at the tablature of it here and remember first string, second string, third string, dag, dad. You're all familiar with this anyway. So you're starting on the third string on the G string with a 0. And then you go onto the fourth string with a 0, then you go back to the third string with a 0, then the second string with a 0, and the first time you use your finger is on the fifth note, 2. So we're going to play that little phrase now. And remember, your guitar needs to be in tune, dag, dad, we've done all that beforehand. So your strings should sound like this. So let's start on the third string with the 0. And then this fourth string with the 0, then back to the third string with the 0, then the second string on 0. And for the first time you're going to put your first finger on the second fret on the second string, and then you jump to the first string and you do 2, 2. So let's play that a few times. So on the third string, fourth string, third string, second string, put your finger down on the second fret of the second string, and then across to the first string on the second, and do that twice. So let's play it. Now practice that a few times, get the flow in it, yeah? Then we move on and we look at the tablature again. So you start on the first string open, lots of open strings. First string open, second string, putting your first finger, the small number tells you your first finger, on the second fret of the second string, followed by 0, and then followed by 0 on the third string. So let's just do that little bit. So it's 0, 2 on the second string, 0, and 0 on the third string. So let's do that again. One more time. The last four notes on the first line, we're flying through it, is 0, 2, 0, 0 on the second string. So, and again, all on the second string. So practice those little segments and let's do it from the top. The whole first line, nice and steady. After 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Practice that, get it fluid. We're on to the second line. Again, the great thing is the first couple of bars of the second line are exactly the same. You've played them already. So let's just do it for practice. So 0, 0, 0, 0. You've that done already in the first line, and then the last bit is just a tiny bit different. You go 0, 2, 0, 2, 0, and then 2 zeros on the third string. So watch my fingers do it. So it's first string, second string, 2, 0, 2, 0, third string twice on 0. So let's do all the second line. It's practice those. We'll go on to the third line. Now, you have to play less open strings on this. So you're up on 5 on the first string. You use your baby finger. You're up on 4. You use your third finger. You're on 2. You use your first finger, and 0. So practice that little run. On the first string, baby finger, 5. Third finger on the fourth fret. First finger on the second fret, followed by 0. So it's just tripping down the stairs basically. Try Try that a few times. Now, we're here, we're on 2, you go to 2 on the second string, followed by 2, 2 on the first string. So it's... So let's play that again. So we'll do this tripping down the stairs bit. Now we're here, 0 on the first string, 2 on the second string, 0, jump onto the third string, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0 on the second string. So let's try that. Sorry. 2. Just let's do that again. Music, lots of repetition. See the tripping down the stairs bit again? You repeat that. So let's just play that. You practice it. And the great thing with Irish music is the end of the fourth line is the very same as the end of the second line. So it goes